Hello everyone, today we're gonna unbox XTOOL A80 Pro. Let's see what's inside. User manual, A80 Pro pad, charging line, VCI. Some converting lines and power adapters. Lines and adapters list. Turn it on. Hold on for 3 seconds. Select language. Connect Wi-Fi. Input our mail address to activate it. Jump into Update screen. Click on to update. Then we download device data. On homepage, click on Update. Select it to update. Finally, let's check language setting. Click on Settings. Just select one. Then back to homepage. See there. That's the end of this video. Thanks for your watching.